Steph Edie here with your 1-minute holiday gift. We're making easy snow globes. Take a mason jar and any kind of figurine that you want. You can use superheroes, you can use army men. I found this little adorable snowman and we're going to hot glue him to the inside of the lid. So put a little bit of hot glue on the bottom and press into the lid. Depending on the size of your lid, you can build whole scenes on here with miniature Christmas villages or anything. It's really up to you. Once you have that all glued on and you let that dry, we're gonna take some glitter and you can use any color that you want. I am using silver for snow, and you're just gonna dump a whole bunch of glitter in there. Then fill it almost full, not completely because we need to have room for your figures, but fill it almost to the top with water. Then screw on your lid. Make sure it's on there really tight. You don't want any water leaking out. And give it a good shake and watch your glitter float around. These are awesome gifts to give away or for your own home decor. Enjoy.